Okay, hello. This is the second video here of time value of money, and this one is going to be about future value of a lump sum. So you can tell I have that particular table here, future value of a lump sum. And again, if we ask ourselves those two questions, is the amount of money that we're talking about, is it once, or is it happening multiple times? In other words, are there payments? So that's going to tell you whether you're talking about a lump sum or an annuity. And then is the amount of money that you're looking for, is the unknown amount, is that something that is today, or is that something down the road in the future? So again, the best way I think to do this kind of stuff is to look at an example. So let's say that we have $5,000 now, and what we want to do is we want to invest the $5,000 for 10 years, and this time we're going to talk about semi-annual compounding. And let's say that we can earn 4% over that particular period of time. So that means twice a year we're going to be compounding a percent, and we're going to have that happen for a 10-year period of time, and annually we make 4%. So again, since we're talking about a semi-annual compounding, that means the periods that we're talking about, there's two of them a year. So if I'm talking about a 10-year time frame, I have to look at periods 20, right? If it would be 10 if it was annual compounding like we did in the first video, but I'm talking about semi-annual compounding. So you have to take the periods and multiply them by the compounding, so that gets us to 20, and then I said 4%. But that's 4% annually, so if I'm compounding twice, I have to take the percent and divide by the number of periods each year. So periods are multiplied by the number of periods each year. Percents are divided by the number of periods each year. So hopefully this makes some sense if I say it this way. 10 periods at 4% is the same as 20 periods at 2%, right? So 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. So again, we have $5,000 that we're going to invest. We're going to invest that money for 10 years. We have semi-annual compounding, and we can earn 4% annually. So our periods is 20. Our interest rate is 2, so we just find where those come together. So 1.4859. So if you take on a calculator, you take 1.4859 and you multiply it by your $5,000 lump sum, that's $7,429.50. So what this means is if I take $5,000 today, I put it in an investment that can earn me 4% a year, and it compounds twice a year, semi-annually. At the end of that 10-year period, I will have $7,429.50.